Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp store and sell without a website using Google Sheets. First, open your browser and go to storelink.com. When you are on the home page, look for the button that says Create a Store Link and click on it. You will be asked to create an account. You can sign up using your email or your Google account. Once you have signed up and logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your store. The next step is to choose a template for your store. StoreLink provides different templates that are easy to use and customizable. Browse through the options and select the one that matches your business style. After selecting a template, you will need to enter some basic details about your store. Give your store a name that your customers can easily recognize. After that, choose your preferred currency from the list provided. This is important because it will display the correct currency on your store for all your products. Now, look for the option that says Receive Orders via WhatsApp. Make sure to enable this option because it will allow your customers to place their orders directly through WhatsApp. This is very useful because it makes the ordering process simple for your customers, and you will get all the order details instantly in your WhatsApp account. Once you have enabled the WhatsApp option, your store will be ready. StoreLink will also allow you to connect your products using Google Sheets. This means you can upload your products in a sheet and keep everything organized. After that, your store link will be generated. You can share this link on social media, in your WhatsApp status, or directly with your customers. They can click on it, view your products, and order from you without any website. This is how you can create a WhatsApp store using StoreLink and manage everything with Google Sheets easily. Thanks for watching.